Made it to Savannah.
Yay! Here we are. Finally.
I've been cramped in a box all day.
Right.
Half the day.
Oh, it'll be so nice to get to our place. Not wear a sweatshirt. It's kind of warm.
It's nice. It's very nice.
Good.
All right.
All right, about to catch our Uber.
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 Uber. Let's go. Let's go.
Welcome to our home for a week. This place is pretty kick-ass for a little apartment. We made it to Savannah.
Made it to Savannah.
And we came to our first stop is FORSYTH Park because it's close to our VRBO.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's just now starting to get dark out.
Okay.
This place is so cool. We're on the river walk.
The walk.
As you can see, it's a river.
River and a walk.
A walkway.
Walkway.
River walk.
Way.
Just exploring. I want this. Can we take this home? Do you think it'll fit on the airplane? You think we can afford it? I know a million people have probably already touched this, but that's a mammoth tusk.
Good morning. Day
Morning.
2
2.
from
Well,
Savannah.
Day 1, full day.
Full day.
Full day.
We are gonna go jump on a trolley today. It's gonna be glorious. Gonna see the sights, sounds, and the beers of Savannah. So, let's go. Look at this.
So beautiful.
Every single house, tree. It's amazing. Hi.
Still on day 2 of Savannah.
Yep.
It's definitely a lot colder today than it was yesterday.
We've gone everywhere.
I had to go buy a coat at the Gap because it was so cold. Oh. We did the hop on hop off trolley tour from Old Town Trolley Tours today. It was actually really informative. Gave us a really good sense of where things are at in the city. Got to see some cool stuff. So we're gonna explore over the next few days some more places that we saw on the tour. So go check them out if you're in Savannah. Definitely worth the time and money to take the tour.
Yep.
So now we're just gonna go explore some more and
Wander around,
go have some beers, find another awesome seafood joint to eat for dinner tonight.
Sure. Maybe a cemetery.
Oh yeah, and a cemetery.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
James.
All right, we are in Chippewa Square, which is one of the 22 squares here in Savannah. And this one is a little bit more famous because this is where Forrest Gump filmed his iconic scene sitting on the bench eating his chocolates. But the bench isn't here anymore. There's one at a Smithsonian, one at Paramount, and one somewhere at a museum here in Savannah, I think. But we'll show you where it was at. So, according to our tour guide, there was originally 24 squares in Savannah that Oglethorpe, who created Savannah, built. But there's only 22 now. So what we have come to the conclusion of is that, well, let me back up. All of the squares have dead people buried underneath of them. So they're all cemeteries, to say the least. So this one is technically a square, but they just kept it as a cemetery, so it's not actually a square. But they just kept it as a cemetery to preserve the dead. Oh, and side note, don't touch Spanish moss because it has bugs in it that will get under your skin and make you itch. And that's where the term bed bugs. Don't let the bed bugs bite, or whatever that little saying is. Because soldiers used to pack their pillows with the Spanish moss, and then they would like start itching really bad. So don't touch the Spanish moss. Okay, that's history fun fact for the day.
And that is it for day two or something.
1.5, 2.
And Savannah. So yeah, it was a fun day.
It was cold, but very informative and fun. And we walked 10.5 miles today because we're right by our house. So whew, our legs are tired, but
yep, it's fun.
It's a great day today.
Check out our other videos from Savannah coming up. It's gonna be fun. We got river boats and just stuff.
All sorts of stuff.
Adventures.
Exploring. I think we've walked, I don't know, 20 miles all over the city already, and we haven't even been here, what, 35, 40 hours?
Yeah, something like that. But it's fun.
All right. Well, that's it for tonight, and we will see you all in the next video.
All
right. Deuces.
Peace out.
Wax on. Wax off.